Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue kids profile locking automatically. So right now I am inside the kids profile kit 1. So let me go to settings. Set settings icon from top left corner. Enter Google PIN because this profile is locked. Here you can see profile settings. Set screen time. See here you can see I already configured daily limit and bedtime. And here you can see the schedules. So that is the reason this kids profile is automatically locking when this time reaches. So we have to disable this bedtime and daily limit schedules, so that way we can fix this issue. Let me disable bedtime, then daily limit. Okay, so you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.